this is the channel. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe this channel for more related videos. Okay, and this is the wallet. It's a new blockchain wallet. Just right click and then get inspect, wait for a few seconds, and then click to console. There's some warning, the important warning, you can read that. This browser features intended for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and will give them extra money. So make sure you make a new blockchain wallet with an empty balance. Okay, so this is my own code, I don't need to worry about that. Okay, but you must need to read that. Okay, and after you're done, clear everything from here. Okay, and then paste your script over here, right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script, minimize that, and then paste it over here, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and we just find a transaction, like transactions, go back, maybe, yeah, let's find a transaction. You need a transaction under 0.07 BTC. So I guess yeah, we're gonna confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, we can copy from here or we can copy from here. Okay, and then paste it over here, paste, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yes, I want to send this transaction. Click OK once again, click to OK, and then close everything from here, and then just refresh the balance. As you can see, our amount received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date, today's date. It's Wednesday, 11th March 2026. Okay, I'm scrolling up and down because of the number of wattmark that's showing on the screen. Okay, let me refresh that once again, so you can check after. And this is the transaction details. Okay, let me refresh that also. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. It's confirm anytime in the hour, and don't be worried about this price. That's because as you know, BTC is so high, so that way is so fluctuate. But you must need to read this. This is important. Okay, so yeah, and this is the channel. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next one.